What is the meaning of the hear and listen?
Hear means to get sound in your ears. It happens naturally and without effort. Listen means we pay attention to the sound and we try to understand.
Rhyming words Invictus and please listen.
Here in this question we have asked that the differences between the two poems, Invictus and Please Listen. So in the first point it is asked that in the poem Please Listen and Invictus are there rhyming words. So in the poem Invictus, yes, there are few of rhyming words, and in the poem Please Listen it is written in very simple language, and that's why here in Invictus there are rhyming words and in the Please Listen there are no rhyming words.
No rhyming words are there.
Uniformity in length of the lines. That means the lines are of the same length. Like in Invictus, we can see the number of lines in stanzas are equal, and in Please Listen they are varying, like 3, 2.
There were no uniformity in length of line. In Invictus there are the 4 lines of in stanza, okay? And in Please Listen में there were no limits. Is that clear? Go.
Harshly.
Harshly means what type of harshly?
Harshly means घातक तरीके से.
Badly.
Yes.
Failed me.
Did not meet my expectations.
Another word is mean what? The second meaning is also I have told you.
Let me go.
Let me go.
Let me down.
Let me down. What is refers? Let me down is means what? Meet my expectation means what it refers?
आप हमारी उम्मीदों पर खरे नहीं उतरे.
आप हमारी उम्मीदों पे खरे नहीं उतरना. Means is what? Failed me. Sent.
Penny.
Flattering.
Hesitating.
Means
झिझकना.
inadequacy.
Inadequacy means state of being deficient.
Deficient what refer?
किसी चीज की कमी होना.
किसी चीज की कमी होना. Irrational.
Illogical, without any reason or base.
Illogical is the one of the meaning, and second meaning is what? Without reasons, base or sense. Convince.
Convince means किसी को मनाना.
These are do's and don'ts.
4 points.
What are in do's?
Please listen. Hear me. Accept it as a fact.
When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, the next line is what?
You have not done what I asked.
You have not done what I asked. Then listen.
Listen all what I
That.
listen. That all I say.
यहाँ जितना लिखा है वो सब याद चाहिए. वहाँ रट्टा मार के इसका उसका देख के नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Whatever you have written in the books, each and everything you should know. What you have written. Cheap.
Low in price or costing economy.
Means what?
सस्ते दाम में.
सस्ते दाम वाली चीज. What is the difference between the hear and listen?
The difference between hear and listen is that the meaning of hear is to listen any sound, to receive any sound which in which we are not giving attention to that sound, and the word listen means that to the sound which is received by us. So
Sound received by us. How? Intensely. Intention से अगर आप साउंड सुनेंगे that is what listen. Without intention से सुनेंगे that is what hear. You are going somewhere and you have heard some things, some words, that is the process of hear. But if you are listen someone very carefully, attentively, then you are say that the. So how many points are do's and does, do's and don't?
in do's 4 points and in don'ts 4 points.
Which are that?
Please listen, just hear me, wait a minute, accept as a simple fact.
Advices. No one can listen him carefully. That's why he was frustrated. And he said to his senior, what he said? Just listen me carefully before giving me a advice. We don't want to take an advice. He wanted that someone to come here and he listen him very carefully. What he want to say. But what you found that? No one can listen him carefully. That is the main problem. Go, sit down. How can you explain your advice?
किसी को अपना ओपिनियन बताना मतलब कुछ एडवाइस देना कि हम ऐसा कि तुम्हें ऐसा करना है.
Discourage. How many hard words you have written here? 13. Which is the first? What is meant by that? Sense. Penny. Flattering.
As a learning lines, but please listen, write in a simple form. There is no timing.
There is a difference between hear and listen.
Hear means to hear any sound and that is natural. We hear it without any effort. But listen is to give attention toward that sound and we want to understand it.